I will reward you very handsomely.
I've been testing out multiple AI models for various tasks, and I've currently built multiple pipelines where I use a few of them. So right now I'm using Comfy UI for image generation. I use certain models like ZImage and Crea2. I use some LLMs for certain tasks. Specifically, I mostly use Gemma 4 because that's the best one I have used personally on my machine from my experience. I use Whisper for transcription. I use Quentity as for voice. Basically, I have built a pipeline for content creation, which I am currently testing out. I want to test the limits of what is capable with just a personal computer and the local models we have. So the pipeline currently takes a script, gets the characters from the script, generates all the scenes for the script, sort of like in a movie. So scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, this character is doing this in scene 1, this character is doing this in scene 2, so on and so forth. Then it creates or generates the audio, which is basically the voiceover for the script. So it looks at the script and then has a voice that it uses as the narrator. And previously, it was just one narrator narrating over the whole thing. But as time has gone on and as I have been experimenting and optimizing, I have now added multiple voices. So now when you listen to the recording or the audio, it will have a voice for the narrator, a voice for character 1, a voice for character 2, a voice for character 3, so on and so forth.
I vaguely remember people coming to pat my back or hug me to their bosoms, whispering,
"It'll be all right."
So that has been the recent upgrade to the system that I built. Then from the voice generation, there is transcription. So we need to get the specific timing of the voices in the audio. And I use Whisper for that. So get the timing, get all that recorded into the projects directory. Then from there, the LLM goes through and then uses that and then the original script to plan the actual scenes, right? Because it can't just plan scenes arbitrarily. It needs to know, okay, what is supposed to happen at this time, how long is that specific scene supposed to last. From there, we go to the image generation pipeline. So the image generation, for this flow, I'm using the main image generation model I use now is Crea2. ZImage is also pretty good, and on my machine, it runs at about 25 seconds per iteration. And I usually have to use 8 steps for my generation. I use the turbo model. For Crea2, it's the same 8 steps, it's the same turbo model. I mean, I'm using a turbo model for Crea2 as well, but it takes about 60 seconds on average per iteration. So that's more than double the amount of time it takes using ZImage. But I think it's worth it because Crea2 gives me better results. So I generate the images, so it's generated image per scene. So for scene 1, let's say character A is kicking a ball. So generate the image of character A and then it has character A kicking the ball. Straightforward. I mean, the explanation is straightforward. The actual coding is not so straightforward, but we've been able to get it done. I've been able to get it done. So now, after all that is done, the video is assembled using the audio and the images that were generated. And I have also recently just added a captioning system. So now there will be captions baked into the video. So when you are watching the video, you actually see captions, right? I'm sort of trying to mimic the anime aesthetic. There are now captions on the videos. After all that is done, the video is uploaded to a YouTube channel. And if you check my portfolio, you find a link to the YouTube channel there. I'm using a separate YouTube channel from my main YouTube channel just so that I can test things out and run wild and see how things go. So feel free to check it out and let me know what you think about the pipeline. Let me know what you think I could improve. I have tried video generation, but I think right now local video generation is still a little too far-fetched for the average consumer. So yeah, currently strictly just image generation. Perhaps down the line there might be some video generation models that I could use locally, because I'm trying to keep everything strictly local. I don't want to have to use any cloud-based solutions. But no, it's mainly because I want to prove that anyone with a laptop can actually build these things for themselves and use them for themselves. Sure, it might be a bit slow on your own laptop, because I mean 56 seconds per iteration on my laptop right now is not the best I could get. Some people are able to get like 10 seconds per iteration, which is wow. Even lower than 10 seconds per iteration. I digress. So yeah, my main goal is to prove that these opportunities are open to the average consumer, and you could actually build your own AI powered system for yourself, for whatever reason, for whatever thing you're trying to accomplish. Do check out the channel. I think I'll leave a link to the channel in the description so you can go check it out as well. But yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any ideas or I don't know, anything at all. I will not be making the code public though, because there are still a lot of things I want to optimize first, but who knows, maybe one day.